Every year at the start of the year, if you go to the gym, we all notice there's a whole bunch of people at the gym, right? So that first week, gym's packed. The next week, there's less people at the gym. And by the end of January, you're back to the regulars, because that's how long most people's goals last. And unfortunately, in our industry, in the real estate business, whether it's realtors or loan officers, what I've seen over the years is that your brokerages and your teams, and you guys make all these great plans, and usually by January 31st or February 1st, you're back into the same old routines that have gotten you the same old results. So we've come up with something that we've been working with, not only with our loan officers, but with our realtor partners, that will actually breathe life into your business plan, because it encourages you to take action in easy little simple, one bite at a time, one day at a time steps for an 8-week challenge that'll set you up for a great start to the year if you're willing to do the work, and the work is easy. Let me show you what it is, and I've attached it to this Tuesday tips video. All right, so scrolling up. This is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So a Monday, 5 handwritten notes. Tuesday, call 10 people in your sphere. Wednesday, call 2 financial advisors. Thursday, comment on 5 people social media. Friday, go see 3 builder reps in their model. And then you do the same thing for the next week, and it just spells it out, and it switches it up a little bit. It's not all the same, but it's similar themes, and these are easy to take actions. And what I could tell you is last year was not painful for every single person in real estate. For 95% of professionals, it was a painful, difficult year, maybe even more difficult than the housing crisis. But for about 5%, did well, and some did extraordinarily well and are excited about the future, but it's not based on interest rates, it's not based on inventory, it's not based on buyer demand, it's based on what they're doing each day to build their business, to take action, to create value to them and their clients. So I challenge you to do this. If you need an accountability partner, I'm happy to do that for you. My name is Todd Baker. I'm a certified mortgage planner with Independent Mortgage Banker, Service First Mortgage. I've been doing this 20 years. I help my clients create wealth, and I help my real estates. I'm known for helping my real estate agents create more business. So I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you have a great day.